Okay, Dewi, we announced that you have passed the thesis defense. Yay! Congratulations! Congratulations, Dewi. You have
So proud
passed
of you. Congratulations.
Oh my goodness, you definitely my goodness.
Yeah, you deserve it. Wow. Full support.
Oh, Mike is still there. Okay. Good morning, everyone. It's Monday morning. New beginning, new day, new energy, and also new year. Happy New Year. Hopefully this year everything is gonna get better. Lala is trying to be involved in the video. There are so many things going on today. We have just started the year with what is currently happening in the US and also in my country. There has been a tragedy. Oh my gosh, starts biting me. There has been a tragedy with the plane crash. So I am sending my positive thoughts to the victims and to the family. Hopefully the family that are left are going to stay strong and patient and hopeful. Today, actually, I've been MIA for forever. It seems like forever, since last year. My latest video, I think it was a couple of months ago. Well, things have been, you know, I've got mountains and mountains and mountains of tasks, and I haven't been able to finish all of them. And also the condition of the internet, I mean, it is not super supportive for me to upload a lot of videos, but to start the year, I'm going to start scheduling to upload videos, especially for classes, because I cannot really go out with the current situation. And I heard also in Japan that the condition is getting not very good. And here as well, actually, it's everywhere. I mean, I always keep on telling myself that we're in this together. We need to work together to stop this virus. I'm not going anywhere. I cannot go anywhere, and I don't plan to go anywhere. I mean, I've been staying in my room for a solid probably 3 or 4 months, and I think that's okay. I mean, I feel okay. I do a couple of light workouts. Oh, and I have a lot of and I have a couple of dumbbells and, you know, kettlebells and stuff like that to stay fit. Oh my gosh. Okay, your tail, Lala. She always wants to be in the video. Actually, my plan for today is uploading a video on my conversation with one of our students, Dewi. Probably in a couple of videos ago, I told everyone that our program is newly established in 2017, so it's still a baby. So we are currently trying to find our shape to make everything in place, actually. And today is very special because one of our students are going to be the very first bird flying from the nest. So I'm very excited about that. I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of Dewi That's why I'm going to interview. I'm going to have a little bit of conversation with Dewi, so that the other students are going to be motivated, and we are going to be able to listen to her experience in conducting research, in writing her thesis, because it is written in English, and we all know that our institution is an English medium instruction university. So English for all of us is a foreign language. So writing is the biggest problem for us, the toughest skill for everyone to master. So Dewi has defended her thesis at 10 today. So we are going to listen to how she overcame the problem in conducting research and and writing her thesis, and everything related to that, basically her academic journey. So without further delay, let's meet Dewi.
Miss, I like your picture.
You look here. Mike is here. Who else? Tias is here. Is Tias here?
On the way. On the way.
Oh, on the way. Okay, so we're gonna wow, looks like you guys have a party.
Yes.
We are so happy that you guys are very supportive. So look at that, my cat. It's like always feeling the show. So I'm so happy that you guys are supportive. You are there, you get together when Dewi was having the defense. So it's really good. It's really good. Your team is solid, a solid team.
Yes.
That's really good.
We must be solid, miss.
Yeah.
We are the first.
Really good.
First kids. Because we are first kids.
So teamwork.
Yeah.
That's also one of the characteristics of a good teacher that you need to have. Being able to work in team, right? So that's really good. So Dewi and everyone, I'm going to, because I'm so happy today and we are so proud that this is our achievement. And once again, I remind everyone over and over again that a thesis defense is actually a party. It's a celebration. It's a celebration of your achievement, our achievement, the study program achievement, right? So, I mean, it's normal to be nervous, but you don't need to be nervous because it's a party. You are the owner of your research. You are the owner of your thesis. You know everything, 100% of your research. So, the examiner and everybody there, they're going to listen. I have a couple of questions for Dewi, since Dewi is the first student graduating from our program, right? So I do believe that you have a beautiful story that you can share, especially when you do research, you write your thesis, you have a lot of challenges. Is that your mom? She must be very happy.
Yes, that's my mom.
Hi, she must be very happy. Okay, so I have 3 questions actually. Everybody can jump in answering the question, because I do believe that everybody are currently writing your thesis, right? So Mike and Chika and internet is not stable. And Tias, and who is there?
Karin.
Is that Karina?
Karin.
Yeah, it's a little bit dark, so I cannot see everyone. So Karin is here too. Okay, so everybody writing their thesis. So I do believe that we can share her experience in conducting research and in writing, in dealing with the thesis advising and maybe more, right? Because not only related to your academic experience, but also your personal experience, right? So probably, Dewi, the first one is, I believe that there are a lot of challenges that you have faced when you conducted your research and you wrote your thesis. So what has been the biggest challenge for you in conducting research? You can answer it with, you know, gado-gado mix.
Kalau untuk penyusunannya itu, challenge-nya itu pasti dari diri sendiri, itu komitmen mau selesainya kapan.
Yes.
Terus harus bisa menyesuaikan waktunya, biar gimana caranya biar cepat selesai gitu.
So I do believe that you have the timeline, right, Dewi?
Yeah.
So you have a target.
Yes,
every time you have a target. Okay, that's really good. And the second one probably related to that. What is the challenge related to the thesis advising? Is related to your relation with Miss Disa. Is there any challenge that you would like to share with everyone? Probably because all of us need to
my
learn.
Relationship with Miss Disa sebenarnya nggak ada masalah besar sih, Miss, karena kebanyakan itu kan online, dan Miss Disa juga terbuka banget soal waktunya. Kalau misalkan dia emang nggak bisa, dia pasti bilang ke saya dia nggak bisa. Tapi pernah ada satu kejadian yang saya tuh harusnya udah janjian di hari itu untuk konsultasi, tapi saya lupa, saya bener-bener lupa banget. Miss Disa tuh udah kayak yang ngerimain saya, ya udah Dewi nanti aja ya jam 2:30. Dewi kalau nanti jam 4:30 bisa nggak? Terus saya tuh seharian nggak buka WA sama sekali, sampai akhirnya saya buka WA jam 11:30. Dan itu saya bener-bener lupa banget kalau saya punya meeting sama Miss Disa gitu. Tapi untungnya Miss Disa ngertiin, dan Miss Disa akhirnya kita nge-reschedule meeting lagi.
Okay, so probably there is a reminder, yeah, that you need to be open for communication. You need to always check whatever platform that you use with your advisor, because it's really important. Scheduling your activities and everything. I know it's not easy considering that we are still in the global pandemic and everything's going to be online, right? So everyone are working on their thesis online, right? Nggak ada yang nggak online, right?
Yeah.
Everything is online. Ada nggak kendalanya? What is the challenges? Conducting everything online, the advising, the writing, everything. Kendalanya apa?
Kalau dari saya pribadi itu, kalau yang ke Miss Disa itu kan, kalau menurut saya kendalanya itu nggak terlalu banyak, dan kalau menurut saya sih hampir nggak ada kalau ke Miss Disa. Tapi kalau yang ke sekolahnya itu, yang saya mau wawancara guru, itu sih Miss kendalanya yang sampai waktu itu saya tuh yang mikir seminggu itu kita akhirnya mau ganti apa.
Right. Yeah. You told about that as well during the defense, the challenge communicating with the teachers. You know that they're supposed to be your participants, but then you were not able to interview them, right? So one point here that is very important, maybe as a lesson learned, jadi harus selalu siap dengan plan B. Harus selalu siap dengan plan B. So whatever it is, if A doesn't work, you need to be ready with another plan. You need to be ready with plan B. That's really good. That's really good. Terus yang selanjutnya, because you wrote your thesis in English, itu what is the challenge? What kind of difficulties that you have in writing the thesis in English?
Bahasa Inggris tuh the English is one biggest challenge nih, misalnya kan kita harus cek grammarnya, susunan katanya, yang nggak berbelit-belit tapi juga harus yang formal gitu, Miss. Itu sih Miss yang susah. Terus tapi alhamdulillahnya saya juga dibantu sama Miss Disa, jadinya
We have talked about the challenge, the difficulties, the things that probably has made you unhappy or discouraged probably. Now we're going to talk about something that you really love during your thesis writing or your research writing. Ada nggak yang memorable?
What I love?
Yeah, something that you will always remember, sweet moments that you have.
yang saya pasti ingat itu yang saya miss meeting sama Miss Disa itu, saya benar-benar pasti ingat banget sih Miss, itu saya merasa bersalah banget ke Miss Disa sampai aduh ini Miss Disa beneran gak ya maafin saya kayak gitu. Itu sih Miss.
Yeah, we always understand. As long as you communicate, you guys communicate, we will always understand. The last one is going to be your suggestion, Dewi. Your suggestion for your friends, your classmates that are currently also writing their thesis.
Maybe try to stick with their own keinginan mereka sendiri gitu. Jadi mereka harus stick sama keinginan mereka, jangan mudah tergoyang, karena kalau udah kegoyang sedikit pasti bakal ada aja yang berubah gitu.
Okay, so one thing to
bikin
underline ya,
timetable-nya.
Apa tadi? Mudah tergoyang. What is tergoyang? Jangan mudah tergoyang. Yeah. So, like there are like a lot of distractions, right? So when you're writing in the middle of writing, then suddenly you remember, I need to go to the mall. I think that's okay. Once in a while, you need to
change this.
But you need to be ready for this.
Mengikuti saran itu, mengikuti saran itu harus, tapi seenggaknya kita harus punya kayak pendirian buat diri kita kalau ini tuh yang terbaik buat kita gitu.
Yes.
Biar nggak tergoyahkan sama opini-opini yang mudah mengubah topik.
I agree with you, Dewi. Okay, so I'm going to remind everyone, especially one thing that we can learn from Dewi, from your communication with your advisor, your experience in writing your thesis and conducting your research. Probably you need to build a very good communication with your advisor. You are not only, you don't only need your advisor right now when you are in the process of writing, in the process of conducting research, but in the future as well. So if you plan to, for example, furthering your study, especially abroad, and you want to apply for a job, you need them. You need them to give you recommendations. So if you build a good relation with your advisor or with your lecturers for this matter, it will be good. They're going to be able to support you, especially because they have a lot of students and they try to remember each one of you, and it's not very easy, right?
Yeah.
But if you build a very good communication relationship with them, I'm pretty sure that you are going to have a good recommendation later on when you need it. All right, so probably once again, congratulations.
Thank you, Miss Annie.
For your achievement, for finishing your study. So for the next step, we're going to talk to Mbak Dara ya.
Yay!
Yay!
Yes, Miss.
Kayaknya yang nextnya yang paling ganteng Miss di BGSD.
After this, Michael's turn.
Rajaninya.
Ow! My cat is biting me again. I'm hoping that your next steps are going to be smoother. So we're going to be able to see you on stage. That's gonna be beautiful. Okay.
Dewi keren banget.
Keren. Dewi's presentation is awesome. Outstanding presentation, Dewi. Okay. I think that's it. Our conversation celebration for today. Even though Miss Annie doesn't get those good and ayam geprek and opor ayam.
Thank you, Miss.
Sampai ketemu lagi ya.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you everyone.